Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to make the symbol of the Decepticon from the Transformers movie. They are the bad guys, right? That's right. Yesterday we made the symbol of the Autobot. Looks very cool, right? Today we're going to make the symbol of the Decepticon. Okay, but before we do that, let's name all the colors on the table. We have purple, red, yellow, gray, blue, and green. Okay, are you guys ready to do it with me? Let's do it together. First, let's remove the mask from the sling. There you have it. And first, we're going to do purple. Okay, let's see what we have. Cool. So we have a first symbol, guys. And it is purple. Very cool. It looks like a crown. Next, we're going to use orange. Cool. We have orange symbol of the Decepticon. Very cool. Next we have red. Yay! We have a third symbol of the Decepticon, and it is red. Next, we're going to make gray. Cool. Our fourth symbol is gray. I really like this color. Do you guys like this color? Let me know in the comment below. Next, we're going to use blue. There it is, our fifth Decepticon symbol, and it is blue. Lastly, we're going to use green. Look at this. Uh-oh, there's something wrong with it. This doesn't look like the rest of them, right? So what happened? Can you guys tell me? Oh right, yeah, I used the wrong mask. So I used the symbol of the Autobot instead of the symbol of the Decepticon. Let's turn the symbol into the symbol of the Decepticon. Let's make a new one. There it is. Very cool. And the symbol is green. Alright guys, we finally have 6 masks on the table. Let's name all the colors one more time. We have red, purple, gray, orange, green, and blue. Yay! Thank you guys so much for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.